It's a slow day at Joe's Pizza Parlor, but that's about to change. Joe sends a text message, and within an hour, 10 tables fill up. Magic? Not at all. Joe entices his customers to join his mobile phone list by offering cool stuff in return. Now, anytime Joe wants more customers, he simply sends a text message to hundreds of people at once. And Joe is not alone. We have custom programs to fit all business types, with one goal in common: bring in customers now. Unlike any other form of advertising, text messaging is instant. 97% of text messages are read within the first 7 minutes. Try getting those results anywhere else. Professionals like doctors and lawyers can also benefit from our services. Patients and clients get a text message the night before their appointments, reminding them to come in. Our automatic appointment notifications cut no-shows by 30%. Oh, and did I mention that text marketing is cheaper than almost all other forms of advertising? Joe and thousands of others like him pay just pennies a day for this powerful service. Yep, just pennies a day. The world is texting. Isn't it time that you used text marketing to grow your business? Your competitors already are. Fill out the form on this page and we'll set you up with a plan that's just right for your business.